everyone. So clients have been messaging me and asking how can they look after the pedicures at home until they can get back into salon. So I'm doing this little video tutorial for you. I'm using my fabulous husband as the model, not that he's complaining, and I've had to improvise on the choice of equipment because everything's in lockdown at the salon. So I've got a couple of towels. I've used one of my children's colouring box for home pedi spa, so the feet can be soaking nicely with some bubble bath in there. I've got my favourite scrub from Sortis and also my body elixir, which is brilliant for massaging and it's really hydrating for the skin. I've got a spoon for cuticles. I'm lucky enough to have a file at home, and I've also got my nail clippers. So first of all, can I take one foot please, Marcus? Perfect. So I'm just going to make sure that the foot's nice and dry. So it's been soaking there for about 5 minutes, which is fabulous. We can see, hello Harry. So we can see that the toenail's only cutting down. So I'm going to go in with my toenail clippers to start off with. Okay. So I'm just going to cut. Very nervous doing it on camera. Please, please keep your mouth closed when you're doing this stage, because the amount of times I've actually had toenails flicking my mouth has been quite a lot over the years. Okay. Nice and smooth as we go. Should take a couple of moments, but there's no need to rush. We've got all the time in the world right now. Yep, that one flicked where it shouldn't have gone. So once you've done the majority of the length of the toenails, then going to use a nail file just to even them up, if you do have a nail file at home. Marcus is probably going to want me to do this every week now, so I think I've just made my bed and I'm going to have to lie in it now. So yes, I'm going to call this a pure perfection garden pedi. So once we've finished all the toenails, I'm then going to use a little bit of exfoliator. This feels fabulous. Gonna go right up the leg, all the way around the foot. It's such a nice feeling having exfoliator on your legs. It's stimulating, it helps with dead skin, dryness. It feels so lovely. Okay. And you can do this to all the family members, whoever you live with. Even try it on yourself. Or teach your husband and get him to give you one, because I know that's what I'll be doing. So, nice exfoliation going on there. Put that one back in for me. So I'm just going to make sure, just a little bit of water, just to make sure we rinse off all that bittiness from the exfoliator. Okie dokie. Harry went to go. What? Right. So I'm going to take this foot again. I'm going to stick with this one. I'm just going to do the one foot on camera for you today, so you can get a good idea. But whatever you do to one foot, just repeat to the other one. So I'm improvising right now. Don't have any cuticle sticks at home, so I'm going to use a spoon. And the reason why I'm using a spoon is because it's got a nice soft round edge, and all I'm doing, so I'm just going to go in there and just push back any overgrown cuticles. You can see all that coming off there. This is brilliant. I should be using these in the salon. Absolutely. You can see all the dead skin coming off there. Trying it into the corners and repeat on the other ones. Obviously we don't have any nippers at home, so we can't nip them away, but what we can do is keep them pushed back nice and healthy, and we can hydrate with a nice moisturiser or massage oil afterwards. There we go. Again, I'm just doing this quite quickly so you can see, but take your time, there's no rush, have some fun with it, and then it'll just keep you going at home until you can get back into salon and have the deluxe versions with myself or the team. Okie dokie. So push nice and back, lovely. So, and to finish your home pedi spa, a little bit of massage oil, hydrating cream, whatever it is you use at home. Okie dokie. And this is the fun part. So when you are massaging someone's foot and leg, keep the pressure quite firm on the bottom. Use your thumbs to do some nice pressure movements. And if there is any working on front line, maybe learn this and give it to one of them when they get home. It will be much appreciated. So use your thumbs in there. Okay. Some nice kneading movements. Pick the foot up, hydrate round the heels. Some people suffer from cracked heels and dryness. Keep your movements slow and controlled. It feels absolutely divine. You'll be surprised what massage can do to the body. It relaxes. Bit of me time. So I'm just going to do some thumb pressures around the top. Some little movements around the toes to keep them cuticles nice and hydrated. Some nice little movements around the ankle, helps with swollen ankles, any excess water. And if you go right up to the leg, work on the back of the muscle. I'm not going to use any fancy words because obviously this is a home pedicure. Don't want to bombard you with too much jargon. But this is a nice effleuraging movement. Nice long stroking movement. Really pick up that muscle. Especially if you've been doing the Joe Wicks exercises every morning. Or any form of exercises. Brilliant. Perfect. And then repeat to the other foot. Really hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, give your loved ones at home a little bit of TLC. Even teach your husband to do it to you. Have a bit of fun with it, and yeah, enjoy the Pure Perfection Garden Home Pedicure. Bye!